let's continue to look at naming organic compounds. In this part of the video, we're going to go now and look at what if we have multiple identical substituents. How are we supposed to write that? And we're going to learn about the prefixes di, tri, and tetra that are used in front of the substituent name or the prefix name at the front. So here's the first molecule. We can see that it is 4 carbons long. So it's going to have the prefix but for the parent part of its name. It has 2 different functional groups, substituents, coming off the 2 carbons in the middle. And remember, they're called chloro. It has no other functional groups that change its suffix, so it's going to have the parent name butane. Now, we might write this, we might go 1, 2, 3 and call it 2-chloro, 3-chlorobutane. But chemists think that's kind of clumsy. So what they do instead of writing 2-chloro, 3-chloro is they write 2, 3 dichlorobutane. And that is the correct way of writing it. So we've condensed the longer form of the name down to a shorter one. And we put a di if there are 2 of the same group. Let's have a look at the next molecule that we have here. So in this molecule, we can see it's also going to have 4 carbons. It is a butane as well. It's got 3 chlorine functional group substituents. And it's going to have the parent butane again. But because it has 3 chlorine substituents, instead of writing di, now we're going to write tri for 3. So 1, 2. The places that the chlorines are attached to. There was 1 attached to 1 and there are 2 attached to the 2 carbon. So this ends up being 1, 2, 2 trichlorobutane. We have to, for each different functional group or substituent coming off, they must have a number associated with them. You just can't write 1, 2 trichlorobutane. You have to say specifically where each of them are using the numbers. Okay, so, and this is what we use the tri here. Remember to say that there were 3 of them. Okay, so the last one here on this part of the video, we have 3 carbons in a row. This is going to be prop. 2 methyl groups coming off. Propane is going to be the parent chain here. And we have these carbons coming off the second, these methyl groups coming off the second carbon. Now, this one's kind of interesting because we could call it 2,2-dimethylpropane, but actually in this case, there is only one way that you can attach 2 methyl groups to a propane molecule and it still be a dimethylpropane. So actually it's okay not to put the numbers here because we couldn't attach the methyl groups to the front of the molecule because they wouldn't be a propane anymore, they would be a butane. So often when it's evident exactly, it's self-evident where they are, we don't have to write the numbers. So in this case, it's just called dimethylpropane. Now, if you find that you're not sure about when to do that, don't worry about it. If you put the numbers, you won't be wrong. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this has made you more confident with your chemistry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment about anything that you want to with this video or any questions you have. I'll see you later.